Ayan guys, dito po tayo sa Kahoy Lunar New Year Fair. Ayan, dyan. So, ito po nga ang entrance nila dito ngayon. Ayan. So, ganda, di ba? So, tingnan mo. So, let's go inside. Ito tayo. Ito po yung entrance. Sa katabi ng entrance, ito po yung little park nila dito. Ang ganda po ng mga flowers and everything. Ayan guys. So ayan. So ngayon pa, pasok ta dyan sa mga lantern na yan. Diyan po yung entrance nila. So wala pong wala pong haharang. Ayan guys. Dito. Pasok po tayo dito. Ayan. Wow. Ayan guys. So ngayon andito na po ako sa loob. So dito po ang makikita nyo po dito. Yes, mga tinda-tinda po nila. Iba't ibang klaseng tinda. Ito po yung street foods here. Yeah. Ayan po, mga street food po dito. Ayan. Street food. So, ayan po, barbecue. Ano ba yung mga tinda? Mura lang, 10, 3, 100. Lahat po dito na area is street food. Ayan. Aussie. Dorian. Ito po guys, tingnan mo. Street foods po dito. So, huwag po natin kuhanan masyado kasi baka mamaya magagalit sila. So, pasok po tayo kasi mga po yan sila, allergy po yan sila sa mga camera. Dito naman yung dry good area, parang wala pa, hindi pa nagbubukas. So, ito ngayon, dito po tayo sa mga souvenir. Yeah. Ito po yung mga souvenir. Hoy, may para sa mga aso. Ang cute naman, sombrero para sa mga aso. Ayun si Hihi, oh. Ito po yung lantern. Honey. Ito po dito is lahat ng mga honey. Of course, laisifong. Ayan, mga laisifong po yan. So, dito yung mga balloons. Diba? Yung mga kabataan ninyo. Ayan. Wow. So, punta po tayo dito. Lahat po dito talaga ay mga pagkain. Kita nyo guys, yung mga balloons, oh. Ayan, mga balloons yan guys, dito. Nauna na akong pumunta dito, talaga lang. Oh, so cute. Ang cute naman. Ito yung pag Chinese New Year dito. Ito yung tradition.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Parang windmill.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what
Wala pa kasi masyadong
defines.
tao.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Pagkain guys, sa Yummy. Kami balloons. Ano mo yung balloons? Lahat po dito makikita yung mga kitchen, mga ganyan. Ito po. Ito po yung opening nila dito. Tingnan mo guys. Ito po yung opening nila. Ang ganda. Kung gusto nyo po maghanap ng mga ganito. Ayan. Ang simbolo ng Christmas tree. Bulaklak nito guys. Ayan. Pag ayan na mumulaklak, ang ganda talaga. So, better buy. Kung halito kayo sa Hong Kong ha. Of course, others are orchids. Orchids talaga, isa rin yan sa pinaka ano nila. Orchids, ang daming orchids, mga langga. Baka hindi pwedeng, kasi yung iba bawal. Slightly lang natin yan. Kasi bawal, kasi yung iba ayaw pang pa-picture. Wala yung mga orange. Ang dami. Daming orange guys. Daming orange. Wow. Orchid. Orchid. Lane 5. Wow. Ang ganda ng daan, guys. Masyadong pinapaganda nila ngayon.